We saw a mixture of activity for our day yesterday. We started off with some fog, tried to see the sun poke through, but it was more so clouds and that stray shower and storm we had late in the afternoon. And even as we start the morning, I've been dealing with just a little bit of some light fog, but at least here in Ohio County, really not noticing a whole lot. Roads are still dry. Every once in a while at the bottom of a 2-mile hole through M Grove and I-470 might see a little bit of light fog, but most in at this point south of I-70, especially down towards Moundsville, as well as parts of Wetzel and Tyler counties. So if you're traveling south, you might run into a little bit of fog, so just give yourself a couple extra minutes. Make sure to slow down and leave plenty of space between you and the other cars around you. But fog, not really the main concern for today. Still got the stowed out cold front that's been moving on through, but now we got a warm front that's going to start to push on through later today. And even my attention is more so off to our west, where there's already severe storms ongoing. You can see for parts of Iowa, through Illinois, Missouri, even down to Arkansas. That activity, though, moves with the cold front, so good chance we'll see the activity increase throughout the day today. However, the good news, though, is the worst of it is going to be off to our west. You can see that for central Ohio, western Ohio, Indiana, and parts of northern Kentucky. That's in that enhanced risk. But as we zoom things in, even our area still at least in the slight risk. You can see for parts of Harrison County as well as Belmont, Monroe, Noble, and Guernsey counties. So most of us, and if you're in eastern Ohio, you're likely in that slight risk, just minus Jefferson County. But here in the Panhandle, good chance a lot of the activity weakens as it moves on east. So it should just be some stronger storms by the time it gets west later on this evening. Temperatures, once again, more so in the 60s. You can see a few spots in the 50s. Like 57 is our cool spot into Carrollton as well as Chester, but still is warm at 64 in Martinsville, St. Mary's, as well as Caldwell and Zanesville. Though, we're going to see things warming up a little bit more than yesterday, since we could see a few extra pockets of sunshine. Most of us at least in the upper 70s. It's cool with 77 here in Wheeling, but you can see multiple spots that could easily try to get into the 80s, as warm as 82 down to St. Mary's. So just a little bit of that fog this morning. Once again, you can see that Moundsville on south. So Moundsville, Woodsfield, Martinsville, Middleburn. Just a little bit of some light patchy fog this morning. But by the time we get to 9 a.m. at the latest, we'll see that start to mix on out. More so clouds this morning. Even some sunshine as we head into the afternoon. But towards dinner time, just know that any extra sunshine could allow for a few showers and storms to pop out ahead of the cold front. So by 5 p.m., predictor trying to pick up on a few showers, mainly south of I-70. But our best chance to see activity comes about that 10 p.m. to midnight time frame when we could see a few storms try to roll on through this evening. Know that all impacts will be in play. Of course, heavy downpours, clouded ground lightning is our main threat, but gusty winds and some small hail cannot be ruled out as well. Even that isolated tornado chance, pretty low, but that's more so going to be along I-70 and west into that area. This more so enhanced. Tomorrow, though, day not looking bad. By dinner time, we still sunny. Once again, could see a few showers, even a few storms south of I-70 that could try to push on in. More so late evening, overnight. So most of the day tomorrow and today stay dry. Once again, Thursday. Can't rule out a few scattered showers or storms, any of which could bring some small hail and gusty winds. 62, a few spotty showers on Friday. 64, partly cloudy on Saturday. 65, mostly sunny on Sunday. Then 71, mostly sunny for our day on Monday.